Hi everyone, back in the kitchen again today. It's been a while, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a slow cooker beef stroganoff from the new Everyday Comforts book from Grow. So let's see what goes in it then. Okay, so recipe wise then, we've got 500 grams of lean beef stewing steak. We've got an onion finely chopped, some mushrooms there. Recipe says 300 grams, but there's a few more in there. It's actually 400 gram punnet, and those of you who know your stuff will know mushrooms are very low in calories, so they're a great way of bulking out these recipes. And in fact, you can chuck them in curries and stews anyway, and they bulk it out, make it more filling, and they don't add a lot of calories to the recipe. So we've also got some lazy garlic, because I'm lazy and I don't like peeling garlic. Some Lea and Perrins, some Philadelphia lightest cream cheese, whole grain mustard, Dijon mustard, and half a litre of beef stock. Large flat bottom pan on the stove, and give it a good spray of low calorie cooking spray. I tend to like the spray rapeseed oil because it's just less damage to your pans than fry light. So I think, personal opinions and all that. Okay, so in that I am then going to chuck in the onion and sizzle that for about 3 minutes until it goes soft. Okay, and onions have nicely softened and just starting to brown slightly. So at this stage now, I'm going to chuck in my garlic and my mountain of mushrooms. Okay, give that a good stir. And the flavours mixed up. And then I'm going to chuck in the stewing steak. Okay. Now we're just going to cook that through now until the steak is browned. It won't be cooked obviously, but yeah, just seals the steak off. The benefit obviously of doing this is, you know, if you use a slow cooker a lot, you tend to find that the meat falls apart. By sealing it first, it'll tend to hold its shape a bit better in the slow cooker. Okay, so we'll let that brown for a couple of minutes. Okay, you can see that's now browned nicely. So time to transfer it to the slow cooker. Okay. Get all that in the slow cooker. Pour in the stock. I've added the Worcester sauce to now. Put lid on. Wind that up, and that's going to sit in the slow cooker now for 6 to 7 hours, and half an hour from the end we'll come back to you. Okay folks, and as if by magic it's now 6 hours later. Give that a stir. That's nicely cooked now. So at this stage I'm going to add in the Dijon and whole grain mustard. Give that a good mix round. I think this is where where the magic happens, really, if I'm honest, because it starts to change colour, stops looking a bit more like stewed, just a beef stew. Okay, and then we're going to put in 180 grams of low fat cheese. Now, I'll be quite honest with you on this one. This tub of Philadelphia Lightest contains 165 grams, and I'm going to go with that and see how it comes out. I have got some more in the fridge, but I'm not inclined to open another tub for 15 grams if I'm honest. There we go. Okay, I'm going to leave that ticking over now for another half an hour while that just warms through nicely, and in the meantime I'm going to put some rice on so we can serve that with rice. So there you go folks, that is half an hour later. The stroganoff is nicely cooked, the rice is cooked, so I'm now going to dish it up and show you what it looks like. So there you go, that's slow cooker beef stroganoff from the Grow Everyday Comforts book. That comes in at 155 calories on Grow Everyday Balance, 526 calories if you're on full calorie count, and if you follow Weight Watchers or Slimming World you're going to have to work that one out yourself. There you go folks, I'm off to go and eat my tea. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye now.